Hello, dear B Pharma students. Once again, you are welcome in this online session. So, today, our very first topic of this chapter, probability and standard deviation, is binomial distribution, which is also termed as Bernoulli's trials. Now, binomial distribution is denoted by P of x equals to R, and mathematically it is defined as P of x equals to R is equals to NCR q raised to power n minus r into p raised to power r, where NCR is, you might have studied this chapter in 11th standard, combinations NCR. The formula of NCR is n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. This is the formula of NCR. You might have seen this formula. NCR equals to n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial, where P is the probability of success in a single trial, Q is the probability of failure, Q is also evaluated by the formula 1 minus P, N is the number of trials, and R is the number of successes in N trials. Now let's consider one example based on this binomial distribution. A die is thrown 6 times. Consider getting an odd number is a success. Then what is the probability of 5 successes, at least 5 successes, and at most 5 successes? So 3 parts are given to you. You have to find out the probability of all these 3 parts. See, now how many times, total times the die has been thrown? It has been thrown 6 times. So n is number of trials, 6. Now p is the probability. किस चीज़ की probability आपको find करनी है? Success क्या है? That is getting an odd number. So P will be the probability of getting an odd number in a single trial. We very well know that when a single die is tossed, 6 outcomes are there possible. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And out of these 6 numbers, 3 numbers are odd numbers, 1, 3, 5. So the probability will be 3 upon 6. That is 1 by 2. Q is evaluated by the formula 1 minus P. So you can deduct this 1 by 2 from 1. So Q will be equals to 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 only. Now very first part is probability of 5 successes. Listen, this R denotes number of successes. So how many successes you want? 5. So the value of R will be here 5 in this formula of binomial distribution. NCR Q raised to power n minus R, P raised to power R. So P of x equals to 5 is equals to 6C5, because n is 6 and R is 5. Q is 1 by 2 and P is also 1 by 2. 1 by 2 raised to power 6 minus 5 into 1 by 2 raised to power 5. We have substituted all the values in the formula NCR Q raised to power n minus R into P raised to power R. We can solve this by the formula of NCR 6 factorial upon 5 factorial into 6 minus 5 ka factorial into 1 by 2 raised to power 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1 into 1 by 2 raised to power 5. Now if we solve this, we will get this value 6 of this whole term into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 raised to power 5 is 1 by 32. If we just cancel out the values, then answer comes 3 by 32. Now second part is at least 5 successes. What is the meaning of at least? At least means minimum 5 successes. At least 5 successes means minimum 5 successes should be there. अभी देखो, at least means minimum, that is minimum 5 successes are required. So minimum means if more than 5 successes are there, those cases are also acceptable. कम से कम 5 सक्सेसेस कहने का मतलब क्या है कि 5 सक्सेसेस तो आपके पास होनी ही चाहिए. अगर उनसे ज़्यादा हैं तो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो एक्सेप्टेड. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स टोटल टाइम्स die has been thrown? 6 times. So how many successes are possible? 5 and 6. So you will find out the probability of both 5 and 6, and you will add these probabilities because these are the possible cases. Either 5 successes can be there or 6 successes can be there. So listen, for 5 we have already evaluated this formula value 3 by 32, so we can substitute directly. For 6, let us put the values R equals to 6 in the formula of binomial distribution. If you will solve it further, you can see here the solving. 1 by 2 raised to power 0 is 1 only, because anything raised to power 0 is equals to 1. 1 upon 2 raised to power 6 is 1 upon 64, and 6 is 6. According to that formula of NCR will be 1 only. Now you can take LCM. 6 plus 1 upon 64, that is 7 upon 64. Now third case, probability of at most 5 successes. See, now what's the meaning of at most 5 successes? कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 5 सक्सेस ही होनी चाहिए, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो कौन कौन सी सक्सेस चलेंगी? Which will be accepted? Less than 5. That is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. 5 successes, so that's also accepted. 4 are there, that is also accepted. 3 are there, and up to so on. कौन सी सक्सेस एक्सेप्टेड नहीं है ग्रेटर देन 5, एंड दैट इज 6 ओनली, because how many times die has been thrown? 6 times. So at most 5 successes are accepted, not more than 5. That means 6 success is not at all accepted. So we will deduct that probability of x equals to 6 from 1. Why from 1? Because 1 is the total probability, 1 is the sum of all the probability, that is the maximum probability. See, there are two cases to find out this. You can also find out this probability by x equals to 0, plus x equals to 1, then plus x equals to 2, then plus 3, then plus 4, then plus 5. You can sum up all the 6 probabilities. And another cases which is shortcut, you can find out by deducting this probability for x equals to 6 from 1. So from the above previous step, we have already evaluated the probability of x equals to 6, and that was 1 upon 64. And if you put just here 1 minus 1 upon 64, it will be, by taking LCM, 64 minus 1 upon 64, that is 63 upon 64. So that are the required probabilities for 5 successes, at least 5 successes, and at most 5 successes. So in the next video we will do the next topic. So till then, thank you and have a nice day.